Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Grubhub delivery region. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now what you actually want to do to start with is head over to the Grubhub website. This cannot be done through the app, so I suggest you come onto the website, and when you're on here you just want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you want to look for this section that says useful links. From here, we can just go down a bit and look for help and then click on help. Now from here, we're going to go down to the Grubhub FAQs and then click on how to use Grubhub. From there, we can go down to the very bottom, click on need more help, and then here we have the option to chat with the Grubhub team. So what you're going to want to do from here is put in your name in this box, your email address in this box, and you can also leave your phone number if you want, but that is optional. And then from there, you want to just say the reason why you want to change your delivery region, and you also want to ask if they can make that possible for you. So let's just say you are moving to a different state for a year. You could just say, hi, I'm moving away and I would like to change my Grubhub delivery region to the place where I am moving. And you just want to say, is this possible, or can you help me do this myself? And they should be able to assist you in changing your delivery region. Now unfortunately this is not possible in the app, so you will have to come onto this page and do this yourself. So that's how you can change the Grubhub delivery region. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.